Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with Allure.
And it's tiny. And it's also white, which is like different than the red or whatever it used to be. My sister says it's all because of her that they're making these changes.
I think they're not going to have the...
Like going to these paper boxes with whatever it's coming with. I swear, like mine... Her dog started eating while we were waiting to film, but like this is all damaged.
Was he actually?
Yeah, he was eating it a little bit. Just
he's a Pomeranian. He likes to nibble on everything.
Just a little bit.
Trying to see what.
Yeah, it's got all the products in the little thing, and a Geico ad on the back. And this is the Best of Beauty by Allure, which I hope I like. I know, just a little ad for Allure Mercier, if we're saying that right, an improved tinted moisturizer. A little thing for that, which, I mean, yay. I'm glad they're letting us know. And then we got the exact same thing. So what do you want to start with? Like speaking of Allure Mercier, it's Ready, Set, Go. And it's little setting powder.
But that's okay. I like this powder. I already have it over there.
I love powder. I'm like using 2 different kinds of powder every day.
What do you want to grab next?
How about this one? This one. The
Dewy Stick
Ciate, or I'm sure we're saying that
Luminous
wrong.
Highlighting
Ooh,
Balm.
this can go in a giveaway because I saw what it is. And I'm like, giveaway, giveaway. Okay, so yay. I'm glad. And then how about this one? Perfect Smooth Conditioner. It's so tiny. Nature Lab. I mean, they've made, you know, tiny. Oh,
Perfect
it
Smooth
goes.
Conditioner.
It goes with shampoo. So I'm gonna pick that up. Sorry. I mean, my hair might not be that. I mean, my hair's getting long, so, but it's thin kind of, so maybe this will be like enough. But
like one use or something. Maybe.
Color protectant. I'll have to wait till I dye my hair again to use this.
And I guess a Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Facial Scrub, Sea Kelp and French Green Clay, all skin types.
How do I feel about scrubs, Kim? Scrub-a-dub-dub. I'm putting this in a giveaway.
I know she
Oh,
doesn't
well.
like them, but
yeah. I can only have so many scrubs that I don't use.
the last thing, right?
Yeah, is it Lipicar by La Roche-Posay? I don't know if I'm saying that right. Soothing Relief Cream, a skin protectant.
Yeah, I was gonna say my 20-year-old has eczema, so
I might give this to him to use
and see how he likes it.
I probably wouldn't mind this depending on what it does. Temporary protection helps relieve minor skin irritation and itching. Oh, I don't know. Would you just put that on anywhere then? I thought it was like gonna be for the face. Interesting.
No, I think it's anywhere. I don't know.
Interesting. I guess
it
if I
says
ever
the
have, like,
body,
a
the
rash or
hands,
something,
and
I can-
face. So
like if I have a mosquito, I can put this on it. Maybe that'll help.
my son's like arm right here gets really like bothersome for him, so I've been giving him some other stuff, but I can give to him.
Alrighty, that's the Best of Beauty. Interesting. Alrighty. I'll say sure, even though half of it I don't use. But this video, if it was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.